Another day on the VL. Today we're gonna swap all that out for the VS stuff. Got the VS shock here. Swap these top halves over, hopefully it works. Yeah. Already stripped one side, here's the chaos. So do one more side and then strip the VL. So we got both shocks off. Took the top heads off. And these are the difference. Those are the bearing on the inside. That's just the part. So decided just gonna cut that off. Cut that plate off. Well, this plate onto there. Pretty much just replacing that one. And this is what we come up with in the end. Fucking shut this off here. Right, that used to be on here. Weld that on there. Yeah, top of the shock comes through here. That bolts to the car. That onto the shock. We're away. But yeah, how does everyone else do it? Fuck, we can't find fuck all info. That just ticked it up for now. We're gonna fit them up. VS VO. For VS front everything. Everything. We got one shock in. Show you the process. So, just broke the VS mount into two. Just cut the VL top hat and weld the VS onto the VL. Yeah, just drilled those out and grinding this. Yeah, see, this is how we're doing it.
I need that pocket anymore, bro. Filling up with shit. Great. And at the edge, same thing.
Did you just cut?
Just pretty much. I just cut that outer edge, the end of the flat, and then just sanded my way, made it sort of circle. I gave up in the end. I made it in the
VS.
It's off the
Too
VS.
big to fit in here. So just cutting it down a bit smaller so it can fit. Did you cut right through?
What's that?
Did you have to cut right through?
Through this?
Through the rubber?
No, I think I just ripped that, pushed that white thing out.
fucking mackerel. Come over here, Karen. Oh, that. So it's some holding it all. Got him. Clean up that fucking bird. Take it right off.
Yeah. Use this stuff to clean that shit. Get on my hands.
Karen's just cleaning off all the rubber there. There's a fucking flips everywhere. Smells good. Safety first. Done. Just trying to cut that much off. Use this. Yeah. Well, this to here, and then this was just the cap for the suspension. So it doesn't fall through the hole. This is our one we already made. Just pulled it out of the car just to make sure they're going to be the same. Yeah, that's all we cut out. I got to weld this onto the VS part, and then this was just to hold the shock in. Because before it was touching, so you're hitting on that. Could have stepped it up, but yeah, this is how we did it. Because yeah, like I said, it's fuck all info out there. Take these Holden. Yeah, bolt it back up. Let's got our shotgun. 3 bolts up there. Whack these 2 in. Steering rack arm. Tighten up these. Fits the tires on. Let's see what she's like. So, found out the VS sway bar is too long that way. so we couldn't actually fit it here. And then these are way too long and they were hitting that lower arm there. Yeah, that's how different they were. So we just put the VL sway bar back in, VL those thingies, and yeah, that was the next hurdle. So with the VS sway bar, it's sort of like restricting it from turning. That's sort of binding up. So I'm gonna take it out. Sorry, this is the VL sway bar. And that's the VS one. That's a bit longer that way. So I'm gonna try hopefully get past this arm and then we'll be able to use those long bits over there. The VL one was a bit tight. So what happened to the VL ones when we turned? So it must be the wrong one. So we're gonna chuck these long ones in. And turn it again, see if it does it again. So it turns out these are too long to even get in there. So it's going to take it off and, don't know, try for another plan, do some research. Back in, just a no sway bar, but rocking some camber now. Bit higher in the front with those shocks. He's just gonna be floating everywhere, boating. Oh yeah, VS front, VS rear. That's how we did it. You'll need some VL parts.